Hey, it's Jake from Omnitron. Today I'm demonstrating how single-pair Ethernet can be used to connect a remote camera and deliver both data and power on a single cable up to 1,000 meters away, or 10 times the distance of traditional Ethernet. The OmniConverter single-pair PoE switch is powered from a local AC power outlet, and the SFP fiber port provides an uplink to the central network. From there, we're sending PoE power and 10-base T1L single-pair Ethernet data along the cable. At the far end of the cable, our single-pair Ethernet media converter receives PoE power and data from the switch, converts it to 10-base T Ethernet, and provides both PoE and Ethernet data to the surveillance camera. The single-pair PoE solution highlights how you can use existing or new 16 to 24 gauge twisted pair cabling to connect and power edge devices with a single cable, saving time and money and allowing for flexible installations in areas without local power. For more information on single-pair PoE, visit our website or contact us today. Thanks for watching, and please follow Omnitron for more educational network technology videos.